उफ ये गर्मी, और ये गर्मी से छुटकारा पाने के लिए आज हम सीखेंगे समर टाइम मॉकटेल्स. Yes, in this video I will show you how to make 6 summertime refreshing drinks which you can make at home without even using any store-bought ready-made syrups. So चलिए देखते हैं what all we need for making these lovely summertime drinks at home. We need a lot of fresh fruits. So we are taking fresh mango. Now this mango, little bit of that is also pureed. Watermelon, lemon, some fresh mint leaves. So these are any citrus fruit that you want, you can take it. So these are oranges. So here I have some orange juice as well. Again, every fruit that I have taken, I have pureed that also. So the citrus fruit, be it lemon, lime, or so this is lime, right? So lemon, lime, and also your oranges, I have pureed them separately. I have some chaat masala over here, grated ginger, and I have some kokum syrup. Plus, since it is a mojito, so we have to use soda over here. And to make it little sweet, we are going to add some honey to that. Okay, so let us start assembling our mojito glasses. So in individual mojito glasses, we will start by putting lemon wedges, some fresh mint leaves. Okay, and with the help of meddler. Okay, now what is a meddler? So it is a wooden stick kind of a thing which you are going to use to just smash the fruit inside. Okay, now in case if you do not have a meddler, what you can do is you can use a wooden spoon like this and use the back of the spoon and just try to mash it. Okay, just in 2-3 minutes you will see that the syrup from both your lemons and your pudina will start coming out and the flavor will be very amazing. So we are going to do that to all our glasses, and we are going to create a base by just using a lemon wedge and some pudina. Okay, so the bases are ready. Now here in this I'm going to add watermelon, just a few pieces of watermelon. In the next one will go my mangoes. Next one is going to be lime. Oranges. The last one is going to be a virgin mojito. So in this I'm just going to add little bit extra lemon juice. In that I'm also going to add some grated ginger. And grated ginger will also go in this. Okay, now we are going to start meddling this again. So do that to all the other fruits. Every time you have to wash your spoon and then only you have to meddle the fruit. And in this one we are just going to add our bit of kokum syrup. Now we are going to put crushed ice in all of these glasses. Now you can see how already the colors are looking so distinctive, right? So this is a lime juice which goes on top of the crushed ice. Orange juice, it will go on top of the crushed ice. mango puree, kokum syrup will go in that glass, and I'm also going to use some of the chaat masalas in the watermelon one and in virgin mojito one, okay, and also in kokum. Now lastly we are going to put this soda water. If you want, you can also put some honey into this, but since my fruits were really sweet, I'm not going to do that. In kokum sarbat, however, if you want to put a bit of honey, you can also do that. If you need more such healthy recipes, do comment below and we will come up with a video on that. हेल्दी से मुझे याद आया, अगर आपको हेल्दी चॉकलेट आटा केक कैसे बनाना है वो जानना है तो उसका रेसिपी लिंक भी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. डू ट्राई दैट रेसिपी. क्योंकि वो आटे से बना है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्दी है और क्योंकि वो चॉकलेट केक है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी भी है. सो बिल्कुल मेल्ट इन माउथ वाला रेसिपी है ये, इसे ज़रूर ट्राई करिए और मुझे कमेंट में बताइए हाउ इट टेस्टेड. नाउ दिस 6 अमेजिंग फ्रूट मोइटोज आर रेडी. They look very refreshing and they taste equally amazing as well. Like I said, since my fruits were very sweet, I have not added any sweetener to this, but while meddling you can also put little bit of powdered sugar, or you can also go ahead and put honey into this if you don't want to have sugar in your mojito. और देखिए हमारे रिफ्रेशिंग मॉकटेल्स भी बिल्कुल बनकर तैयार हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा कलरफुल लग रहे हैं. आफ्टर ट्राइंग दिस मॉकटेल्स, ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल नेवर बाय द स्टोर बॉट कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. सो व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू हैव समथिंग कूल एंड समथिंग रिफ्रेशिंग एंड समथिंग टेस्टी, ये रेसिपी ज़रूर ट्राई करिए टू हैव अ परफेक्ट समर टाइम ड्रिंक. Before leaving this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel so as to stay updated. Thank you so much.